part 2 of my Makeover My Sister series. So if you have not seen part 1, I'll leave a link down in the description so that you can do so. But we're gonna continue with this series where I do her makeup. So let's get to it. As you guys should already know, everything that I ever use in my videos, I always list down in the description bar below. So if you need to know the names of any of my products, check there.
The tagless version today.
Okay guys, so this video is just about done. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I wanted to do something different rather than doing my face and my own hair. You know, bring in my sister and have her, you know, get her face done and her hair done. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you guys need a more in-depth tutorial on how to care for relaxed hair or like anything like that, just hit me up and let me know. You know, drop a comment. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and show your girls some support because I'm all about that. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.